Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you a simple script that will help you to calculate and display distance from character to some checkpoint in 3D space. Here is my scene setup with plane as a base, a character which is a capsule with a rigid body component and a couple of scripts. We'll take a look at them in a moment. Main camera, empty game object with a set of children that represent this construction, a set of point lights, little red pillar which is our checkpoint. Finally, here is UI text game object that displays a distance value. Now let's take a look at scripts attached to character game object. First one is simple move script that allows us to move a character pressing arrow keys. And second one is distance to checkpoint script that does all of the magic. And to make this script work, we need to drag and drop checkpoint game object and distance text game object into corresponding slots of this script, like that. Now let's hit play and see how it works. We can move a character pressing arrow keys, and distance between character and checkpoint is shown by UI text. That's it. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.